In a world that's always connected, what if your technology could blend even more seamlessly into your daily life? What if your eyewear wasn't just about vision, but about vision and intelligence? Introducing the Xiaomi AI Glasses, a revolutionary leap in smart wearables. Forget clunky gadgets or overt tech. These are designed to look and feel like your favorite pair of stylish glasses, but they pack an incredible punch. Weighing in at a mere 40 grams, they're incredibly lightweight for all-day comfort. And with their D-shaped frame and options like classic black, tortoiseshell brown, and verdant green, they effortlessly complement any style. But the real magic happens when you experience their cutting-edge features. For the everyday storyteller, the Xiaomi AI Glasses are your ultimate companion. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera, you can capture stunning 2K video and high-resolution photos, all from your unique first-person perspective. Think hands-free vlogging, spontaneous life captures, or just documenting your adventures without fumbling for your phone. And with an impressive 8.6 hours of continuous use, that's significantly more than many competitors, your creativity won't be cut short. Ever wished your sunglasses could adapt to any lighting condition instantly? With our optional electrochromic lenses, they can. A simple two-finger swipe on the temple changes the tint in just 0.2 seconds. From bright sunlight to indoor settings, your vision remains perfectly clear and comfortable. But the true intelligence of these glasses lies in their integrated AI, powered by Xiaomi, real-time translation, explore new places, or communicate effortlessly across languages. Just look at the text, and Xiaomi whispers the translation directly into your ear. Object recognition. Curious about a plant or want to know the calories in your lunch? A quick glance and a voice command, and Xiaomi has the answers. Seamless payments. In supported regions, simply glance at a QR code, confirm with your voice, and your payment is done. No need to pull out your wallet or phone. Smart home control. And for those already in the Xiaomi ecosystem, control your smart devices with simple voice commands, hands-free. Experience crystal-clear audio with dual speakers and a 5-microphone array, complete with bone conduction and wind noise reduction. Take calls, listen to music, or interact with Xiaomi, even in noisy environments. How do they stack up against the competition? The Xiaomi AI Glasses excel with their extended battery life, innovative electrochromic lenses, and a suite of powerful AI features designed for genuine utility. While others focus on social sharing, Xiaomi prioritizes enhancing your everyday interactions. The Xiaomi AI Glasses aren't just smart eyewear, they're your intelligent companion, seamlessly integrating technology into your life. Experience the future of smart wearables today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.